Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Toyota Highlander. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, ensure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Finally, park your Highlander on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully slide under your Highlander and locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old oil to flow into the pan. Be patient. This can take several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the fill port. For the final steps, replace the oil fill cap and start your engine, letting it run for about 1 minute. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Dispose of the old oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.